Hello my little penguin, Tata here. Hope you're well and listen to your mommy. This is your Sunday special. Tata is fine. This week we still learn about the Roman Empire, and we carry on to learn about that, to cross to all the empires, and I think even the next week will be. So, first story of today, it's how to put oil in our car today. Because of the lack of oil which I have in the car, I decided to make even the video to show you how to put oil in case you need it. So, first thing which you need to know about that, it's how to choose the oil. Yeah, and it's quite important thing, very important thing, because you need to take special oil for the car. Every car has different oil, different consistency of oil, and yep. So before we start that, please subscribe, because again, no subscribers and a lot of views but no subscribers. And share and like the video if you like it. And now, I promise I promote a friend of mine which open a shop of charms online. So here it's her promo, and after that we gonna start our story. So, before we start, first choice of oil. Like I say, oil is supposed to be special for the car. I choose that one. It's 5V30. So, yeah, 5V30 theoretically it's oil for Citroën and Peugeot. And what you do first thing, open the trap. Did I show you that? But I will show you one more time where is the trap. Trap is here. So after you open the trap, you will gonna put the oil. Now, so theoretically we do that a bit different, like the normal truck. So now I will turn the camera up. So the engine being here, see, here is the oil measures, and now I will not show you properly because see, it's not showing you properly because the oil is not cool, but here you can measure the oil level. But in our car, how I know we don't have oil, it's because show me in the board, oil pressure it's down. So how we change the oil? First we open this trap, here the oil will enter, see. So after you open the trap, I'm gonna put it like that. Here we have the oil. When you open the oil, it's two tricks. The oil, it's extra seal here, so you need to have something which you need to. So usually if I don't have that one, I will use home key. I'll seal the oil and we start to put the oil into engine. It's 1 liter, so will be more than enough for one mount, let's say like that, because I know I'm a carer and I drive a lot, my dear penguin. Oil it's on, so after you put the oil on, seal the trap back, make clean after yourself, and that's it. And that is how you put the oil in the car. Simple, no? And now, the story number 2, let's say it's not more a story, it's presumed story. Like all the people are worried about what's happened now in Ukraine. So I will not enter with the story with all the details what's happened there, that it's on internet. I will tell just what I was thinking and what I'm thinking, and Putin, if he want to take Ukraine, for which reasons. So yeah, let's start. So what will happen after Putin will take Ukraine? If Putin will take Ukraine, he'll have totally power, let's say like that. Not totally power, but we will have access to Romania and Poland. 2 countries which will be the most, let's say, the dangerous country to live if Putin will take Ukraine. Why? Because in Romania and in Poland they are anti-rocket scout protection of NATO. So that means Putin wanted to start a war if he will invade Ukraine. So if he will start a war, that's the way. Take Ukraine, you have access to Poland and Romania, and you can destroy very easy anti-rocket scout of NATO. So that I say they are the worst country to live if Putin will take Ukraine. But that is just let's say theoretically, hypothetically. Let's hope that will not happen. We live in 2022 and we don't need war. People dying, and that if we start a war will not be normal war like was Second World War or First World War. No, will be a nuclear world war, and that means destroy of the humanity kind and destroy our planet. Let's hope nobody is so crazy. But going further with the theory, if Putin will take Ukraine, he will not be alone. Russia will not be alone in that war. There will be a war against NATO. That means against Europe, America, North Atlantic trade, yeah, of protection. That's mean NATO. And the other side, it's Russia, it's China, it's North Korea. So 3 countries already which they have big power, big number of soldiers, and hard way to training. So yep, will be a bit dangerous if that will start. Let's hope that will not happen. That what I say was just theoretically. But theoretically, if you want to start a war, that's the way. First take the anti-rocket scout, take the protection, and it's easy after that to attack. That was the end of our theoretical story, let's say like that. Okay, my little penguin, and this one was your special for Sunday. Next week I will make, I know already what special I will make. It's how to be vegetarian in UK. I already have 1 month and nearly half of vegetarian, and here in UK it's very easy. I will make a special story for that because I want to show you what you can eat being vegetarian, what options you have here in UK to being vegetarian, and that options is going around the world now. So it's not hard, but I will tell you more in the other special story. Yep, for Black Sunday. Till then, we will carry on with our stories on the blog. We will carry on even next week with Roman Empire to finish with all the empires in Rome. And after that, we'll see where we go. So, yeah. Till next week, we will see you again on video. Be nice and listen to your mommy. I miss you a lot, my little penguin. And I love you infinite. Take care of you. Take care of your mom. I love you. Bye.